Let me look at how many panelists joined today. We have
I think so
Jim
far
Hardy.
2, right?
That's great. Jim Hardy and Anthony Lee, right? So great to have you. Yeah, so this is a really timely thing. We have a Megatrain kind of talk by our keynote with Lee Puz and Hong, and we have a timely discussion at the panel, which is exactly what's showing the CNBC and what make Wall Street jump. And Jim, Anthony, you know that this is going to be very interesting panel. And you know that unlike technology, in this particular topic, there's going to be different views. Right? People from different junction of supply chain going to have different view about, I even heard the conspiracy yesterday that somebody is stocking up the inventory somewhere, right? So there's all the different things. So the chip shortage topic is to be super interested, definitely looking forward for that discussion and welcome debates, discussion. I really feel it's a very live session, very tangible topic, and great to have you, Jim, being part of CASPA for so long, and good to have you. And Anthony, thank you for joining. And I would suggest that if you can send me, 3 questions you like to explore ahead of time, then I will make sure that the topic gets discussed as a moderator. I will leave Jim and Anthony to introduce yourself to the media and the rest of us.
Certainly. I hope you don't mind, Anthony, if I jump in first. I'm Jim Handy. I'm an industry analyst. I've been watching over the semiconductor market since the early 1990s. After having worked in semiconductor firms, I actually worked with Tianlai Wang, who was one of the founders of CASPA and was early on in that video. And I was surprised to see myself next to Morris Chang in one of the photographs at the beginning of that. I talk about trends all the time, but what's really most important is what's here and now. And I look at things from a very technical level because I'm an engineer by background, but really enjoy watching the dynamics from the outside because it involves a whole lot less pain and suffering than a lot of you people are going through right now. It's interesting to see what's happening though with the industry, and this is a very dynamic industry. A number of people have said that during this show or during this webinar. So it really is something to see all of these great minds together and to be able to celebrate the 30th anniversary of CASPA with all of you people. I'm flattered to be invited to do that.
Thank you, Jim. Anthony.
Yeah, Jim, it's nice to see you again. It's been a while. Jim and I probably known each other for many years. So I work at Macronix, America. We do non-volatile flash memory, right, or NROM. I've been in the industry since 1992. Started with AMD. Worked through a few companies in my life, but really focused still in the last 29 years in VM. So I'll give my perspective on what's going on from our company and dealing with all these allocations and shortages and companies coming in, trying to have meetings with our CEO, getting parts. We're all dealing with that. I think it's a great topic. In fact, early on this year, I thought, okay, we'll figure this thing out by the end of this year, but no, it's continuing into next year, which blows me away still, right? So I'm excited to be on this panel. Thank you. And again, congratulations to CASPA. I think it's been around just as long as Macronix. So, there's some, commonalities there, right? Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Anthony. Also, I introduced by CASPA 1996 by Michael Wang, who was with Macronix for a long time. And he was a CASPA board of directors, so it's all connected. Yeah. Good to have a friend here. And a brief on myself, I do merger and acquisition and new venture investment for Synopsys. So definitely very interesting to monitor technology megatrends, near-term and long-term opportunities, and great to have this opportunity to socialize with the expert here. Looking forward for the panel discussion. and annual conference.